Now we are going to talk about this text tool. So press T or text and I'm going to drag over here like this to create a paragraph, or you can simply click anywhere to create just a line of text. Okay, so I'm going to create a paragraph over here. Okay, now I have some text in my paragraph. I can just click anywhere else to create a paragraph and press V, and I can extend it or contract it by using these handles you can see over here. Okay, so I'm going to use this like that and just move it over here like this. Okay, now on the right side you can see we have text. This is the font. You can change the font whatever you want to, and then here we have the font weight or the styles of different this font. This is the size. If I want 24, I can select 24. Now it is hiding. Let's make it full, and let's zoom in to see actual character size. Okay, then we have this alignment. This is the center, this is right align, left align, and this is the difference between area text, or you can say paragraph, and a line point text. Okay, so here we have this point text. It is better for alignment. You can see now it is a fixed square. Okay, so if I try to change it, it is not basically a paragraph. No, this is a paragraph. So this is just a new feature they added in it. Then you can underline it if you want to, and then we have this line spacing, which you can set to something else if you want to, like I have set it to 32. And this is character spacing, how wide the space should be inside the character. So if I use 10 or 25, you can see now the space between the letters is a lot. Okay, so these are the main controls. Then we have again the similar controls like all other rectangle or other tools. We have opacity, we have fill, we have border, shadow, and background blur. Background blur we are not going to use anywhere on this one. Shadow maybe we are going to use when there is a dark background or something like that. Border, I think we are not going to use the border. So just stick with the fill and use any color you like this one. And that's all about this text area. Now there is only one shortcoming to this area, which is it would be great if I can see different font styles over here. Now I can just see the name of the fonts, but not the how it looks or how it feels like. Okay, so I actually have to shift to that font to see that font's style. So I think maybe they might have basically done it just to avoid more processing and make it swift. Okay, so maybe in the later versions they might add some preview text over here for different fonts. So that is all about the text tool in Adobe XD. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. Let's move on to the next lesson.